Cessna announced at the National Business Aviation Association convention in Atlanta an $11 billion backlog of orders. The company sold 525 aircraft this year by the end of August, at which time it had already exceeded its annual sales plan for the popular Caravan by 100%. The aircraft is soon to be offered with TKS ice protection and a full Garmin G1000 glass panel. Cessna attributed much of its banner growth to the lessening of customs regulations overseas and the opening of previously inaccessible markets, particularly those in Eastern Europe. The company says it intends to match the growth in sales with planned growth in worldwide support infrastructure to be announced next year. Cessna plans to deliver more than 400 aircraft in 2008. 100 of them will be its smallest business jet, the Cessna Citation Mustang. The Citation line has already seen production of 5,000 aircraft, and the upcoming CJ4, seen here in virtual presentation, is 75% through its design phase, and now sports a redesigned interior with what Cessna calls the first fully integrated information entertainment system. Pelton announced that the aircraft's panel layout has been finalized. Another new aircraft, the XLS Plus, had its first flight on August 2nd and should see first customer delivery in October of 2008. Cessna's Citation 10 currently has 270 models operating in the field, and Cessna is now offering an upgrade for that aircraft in the form of elliptical winglets. The retrofit via STC would cost about $395,000. On the piston front, the latest news at the convention was Cessna's bid to acquire Columbia Aircraft, which, as of September 25, 2007, is still subject to a bankruptcy court's approval and final agreements with Cessna. Cessna's own design single-engine piston, the NGP, is still a work in progress, but Cessna's president and CEO, Jack Pelton, offered these comments.
It's alive and well, and we're spending a lot of R&D money on it. We will not launch it until we get the configuration for a family of airplanes right. We hope to do that probably later this year.
The company's smallest aircraft, the 162 Skycatcher, which targets the light sport market, has 850 units on order, and Pelton said the formal production plan for the aircraft should be finalized later this year. At the opposite end of the spectrum, Cessna's large cabin concept jet is still in the early stages. Cessna's Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing, Roger White, offered these comments.
We're not ready to do an official launch yet. We still have a number of steps to undertake in the program. We still have a couple more wind tunnel entries this year and some negotiations and finalizing the business plan. But we hope we will be in a position to give you the final information on that program early in next year.
Cessna's seen exceptionally strong sales this year and expects the overall trend of worldwide growth to continue. With a full range of products, it is well positioned to continue its role as a leader in the industry and one to catch.